But no, National Balloon Classics looking beautiful for today. 63, 6:30 in the morning. And as we head into the evening, those winds staying light and out of the east, 8 miles per hour. So putting together a nearly perfect one. Downtown right now, you can see it looks like fire on the horizon out there as that sun is rising. Not too many clouds out there at the moment. 63 is what we're sitting at. And again, that breeze is really light. Humidity, not much of an issue. So pretty comfortable if you are heading out and about. 57 for Ames right now, 56 in Mason City. Areas to the west where they've got clouds still. Yeah, a little bit warmer out there. 66 for Council Bluffs and Sioux City coming in at 65 degrees. So looking at the cloud cover, it's largely just western edge of the state. You can see a couple stray dribblers up there to the northwest. Otherwise, we are dry and we are sunny across much of the state, but not so lucky southwest of us. Areas of Nebraska down through Kansas into Oklahoma, dealing with a complex of showers and thunderstorms, and more continue to develop and make their way into Minnesota. So if you've got travel plans today and you're headed to the west, primarily to the southwest towards Kansas City, I would be planning on packing that umbrella and using those wipers quite a bit. Knoxville Nationals tonight looking pretty decent too. 78, 6 p.m. And as we head into later portions of that race, temperatures dropping down to 69 by 10 p.m. Again, winds remaining light. It'll be decently sunny out there for you. Looking to be a beautiful evening for whatever you choose to do. By noon, though, clouds start to work their way in around 35, and we'll see those expand eastward, maybe as far east as Oskaloosa or so. Into the overnight, starting to see that south of I-80 as well. Could see some breaks early on to the north, but by the afternoon hours, most of us are going to be soaked in sunshine as we put together an absolutely beautiful weekend. It's going to continue on into Sunday as well. So enjoy the beautiful day that we've got. 82 degrees, not totally to average. That average is 85, but still a pretty perfect day. 63 degrees is the low for tonight. And a check of that 8-day forecast. Things are looking up. 85 on Saturday. We climb all the way to 88 on Monday. Chances for a shower or thunderstorm Monday into Tuesday, but no real big chances besides that. We've got low chances to end next week, and we'll be cooling off after that 88. Things, though, looking great for your 8-day forecast.